Hi guys, in this video we'll see how to enable recurring product subscription in funnel orders. So first you have to open the funnel orders app. You have to click here, enable subscriptions. So here you will see we require a Stripe live key. So now you have to go to your Stripe account. So on the left side you have to click on developers and here API keys. Here when you will click here, you will come at this screen. Make sure you are in the live mode. Make sure you are in the live mode, not in the test mode. So here you may see a different kind of keys based on what you have used your account for. Sometimes Stripe allows you to see the live key. Like when I press this button, they will show me the key. Or sometimes they do not. So in that case, you can create a new secret key for funnel orders like that. So once you create it, they will show you this key once. Copy to clipboard. So the scenarios like this, you will just click here and copy the key and paste it here. So after you paste the key here, you can press this button and the subscriptions will be enabled. So that's all you need to do at this page. So now I will show you how to create a subscription product in Stripe. Then we'll connect that product to Clickfunnels. Now I'll go to the Stripe and the products. I'm gonna add a product. Make sure you do not change anything. Here you have to set up a price. When you are having a monthly product, you can add the real cost here like $19 recurring per month. But if you want to test, you should write here $1 daily, and you can test it with that. Okay, for now I'm gonna do the $19 monthly thing, and I'll be saving the product. So the product is created now. Now I will connect this product in Clickfunnels. So this is my test funnel. I'm going to go to products. I'm going to add a new product. I'll be using Stripe, subscription, save, and next. I'll be naming this 75. Here you can write the text which you want to show to the customers. So we are $19 per month. So you can fill this address if you need to. So this is a product which we just created in Stripe, and we can see this here. So now just click save and close. So now we have successfully connected Stripe, ClickFunnels, and funnel orders. Now rest of the process is same. So whenever a new order comes, you will see the product here. It will be unmatched, but when you match it, the orders, you will see the orders here. And rest of the process is totally same. All right, guys. Bye bye. Thank you.